As we kick off the cookout season and fire up our grills, we actually have some major active food safety alerts that you need to know about before serving your guests this weekend. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. The information in our report is current as of today, Saturday, May 23rd, 2026. But please always check the official FDA and USDA websites for the absolute latest lot codes and expiration dates before tossing any food out. Now, the biggest umbrella issue right now stems from a massive multi-product Salmonella recall. It originated from contaminated powdered milk supplied by California Dairies Inc. And if you see me looking down, I've got my notes as usual. Because that powdered milk is a foundational ingredient in so many seasonings, snacks, and pre-made food, it has triggered a huge domino effect across the country. Here are the specific high priority items to check for in your pantry or freezer right now. First, if you are using a griddle this weekend, please check your spice rack. Blackstone Products has voluntarily recalled certain lots of their 7.3 ounce Blackstone Parmesan Ranch seasoning sold nationwide at Walmart. It uses that recalled milk powder and is a major salmonella concern. Next, we have appetizers and quick pre-cookout snacks. If you have kids running around and you're tossing maybe something like a frozen pizza in the oven to keep them, tied over until you're done cooking, the USDA has issued a widespread public health alert. You want to look for several brands of frozen pizza that use recalled cheese blends. This includes Mama Cosey's Biscuits Crust breakfast pizza, sold at Aldi, Great Value thin crust and stuffed crust, chicken bacon ranch pizzas, sold at Walmart, and Culinary Circle ultra thin crust pizzas. For party mixes and salad stations, you want to watch out for 5-ounce pouches of Kroger home-style cheese, garlic, croutons, and Giant Eagle baked pita chips. All right, in Parmesan, garlic, and herb. Now, Utz Quality Foods has also pulled specific lots of Zaps and dirty potato chips, plus certain snack mixes under the Fisher Southern Style Nuts and Target Good and Gather brands. All of those are involved. Now, before we go on to the next one, I want to remind you that there are a lot of specific lot numbers, expiration dates, and UPC codes for all of these products. Now, to keep this video a little quick, I've decided to just go ahead and put the complete detailed list of those numbers down in the description right below this video. So check the description box below. Please check that out to cross-reference whatever is in your pantry before you head out to the grill, all right? Then, a localized restaurant alert for those of you who may be in California. Public health officials are tracking an E. coli outbreak linked to grilled beef kofta served at the Kebab Shop restaurant, all right? 9 cases have been linked to that specific dish across 5 counties in California. The chain has cooperated fully and voluntarily stopped selling the beef kofta as of May 18th. So the active risk is contained, but if you ate there recently and feel sick, please seek medical attention. Remember, food contaminated with Salmonella or E. coli, it won't look, smell, or taste spoiled. So when in doubt, throw it out, all right? And keep those meat thermometers handy. Hit subscribe, be sure to share the video, and thanks for watching.